Hello everyone, welcome to ApparelWin channel. I'm Lily. See where am I? Well, today I'm going to talk about this stuff, logo band, this strip, just to help you guys be more clear about it. First, I want to show you some example. I mean, how it can be used in clothing, how does it making the finishing point of your design. Now, I believe you must have more interest in this stuff. When you want to make a logo band, first thing is to decide the materials that made of the logo band. You know, it can be either stretchy logo band or non-stretchy logo band. Stretchy one is the best choice when you wanted to put it in legging or any other high elastic clothes. And the non-stretchy one is usually in the hoodie, the overalls, the clothes that don't have stretch. And after you decide the material, you have to choose the way that you put the pattern in it. There are printing logo band and woven logo band. This one, all of this one are printing logo band. You can see. Oh, this one is woven. Let me show you more woven logo band. This is woven logo band. Woven logo band, yeah. Okay, let's start from printing. This kind of logo band have a bit more requirement than the woven logo band. When it comes to coherent pattern or multiple color, it will increase the mistake of printing. And the second type, woven logo band. The advantage of this type of logo band is the pattern won't fade no matter how many times you wash it, and normally you can woven every pattern you want. But actually, there are also a third type logo band, customized knitting logo band. It means make your logo band in the way that make a sweaters. It's just like knitting a sweater. It is the most special one and have the best elasticity. See? Okay, thank you for your watching, and if you feel it is helpful or want to know more about clothing production, contact us or follow our Instagram and submit our YouTube. I will do more video to help you guys. See you guys, bye!